Can the limited mind of a human being truly grasp the infinite? Can a being created from dust comprehend the one who created all dust, time, space, and beyond? Every soul at some point asks, "Who is Allah?" But behind that question lies another. Can I truly understand him? This isn't just a theological curiosity. It's the essence of human wonder. It's the beating heart of Islamic philosophy. Today, we ask, can the human mind truly grasp Allah? Our minds are powerful. We can split atoms, map galaxies, decode ancient languages. But in the grand scheme of existence, our intellect is like a single candle in a vast, endless ocean of darkness. And Allah reminds us of this very limitation. And mankind has not been given of knowledge except a little. Surah Al-Isra, Surah 17, verse 85. This verse is not to humble us into ignorance. It's to elevate us into awe. It's to remind us there are realms of truth that logic alone cannot enter. One of the most profound truths in Islamic philosophy is this: Allah is not like anything you can imagine. There is nothing like unto him. Surah Ash-Shura, Surah 42, verse 11. Every thought you have, every image you picture, every concept you hold, is still within creation. But Allah, He is beyond creation. He is not a body, not a force, not even an idea. He is Al-Awwal, the first, with no beginning, Al-Akhir, the last, with no end, Al-Batin, the hidden, yet Al-Zahir, the manifest. How can the finite grasp the infinite without limiting it? Islam doesn't reject the mind, it celebrates it. Over and over, the Qur'an calls us to reflect, ponder, and use reason. Do they not use their intellect? Repeated in various verses. But here's the paradox. Reason is a tool, not the destination. Imagine trying to weigh light with a ruler, or smell color with your ears. That's what trying to fully grasp Allah with only the intellect is like. The Islamic mind knows. The intellect leads us to the threshold of truth. But only the heart in submission can truly perceive the divine. There's a difference between knowing of Allah and truly knowing Him. One is information, the other is transformation. You can read 100 books, debate 1,000 arguments, but it is only through taqwa, God consciousness, that the soul awakens to divine presence. Indeed, it is not the eyes that are blind, but the hearts. Surah Al-Hajj, 22:46. The eyes of the mind can take you to the edge, but the eye of the heart sees what the intellect cannot. So can the human mind grasp Allah? No. But the soul can experience His nearness, His mercy, His light. Here's the secret Islamic philosophy reveals. Not being able to grasp Allah is the very proof that He is Allah. A God you could fully understand would be a human invention, not the eternal, all-powerful, uncreated source of all. Vision cannot encompass Him, but He encompasses all vision. Surah Al-An'am, Surah 6, verse 103. In a world obsessed with clarity and control, Islam teaches us to surrender, to mystery, to be in awe, because awe, khushu, isn't a lack of knowledge. It's the presence of something bigger than knowing. That's where real connection begins. If the mind cannot fully grasp Him, how do we relate to Him? Through His names, His signs, His mercy. Allah made Himself known through His attributes. Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Al-Hakim, the most wise. Al-Latif, the subtle, kind one. He has left traces of Himself in everything. The stars, the winds, your heartbeat, the yearning in your soul. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves. Surah Fussilat, 41:53. We may never fully grasp Him, but we can always walk towards Him. So, can the human mind grasp Allah? No. But that doesn't mean the journey is hopeless. In fact, it's what makes the journey divine. You were not created to contain Allah. You were created to seek Him, love Him, remember Him, to live a life in awe of a reality too vast to ever be captured. And in that pursuit, your soul awakens. Your mind may never grasp Him, but your heart was made to bow in wonder before Him.